Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Nice lighting, isn't it? I really like this lighting, and I used to be a pipe smoker a long time ago, but this is not my pipe. This is just shot for pipe shop. Well, I got this image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image made by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges as always, and I'm going to use two images to get something creative image. I don't know, illustrated image. Well, let's get started. I'm going to use, I usually do smudge this base image, but I don't want to do that this time because this subject, this photograph, is so nice. I like the lighting and the sharpness of this shape of the pipe. So I want to, I don't know how it's going to turn out. I want to make something illustration type image, maybe. Well, now I'm going to change this pencil drawing type image, change the blend mode, then check it out. Well, from multiple darken, color burn, this shows so much contrast, nice outlines, so cool. Let me see, tone down. This is cool too. Well, let me make copy of this, duplicate base image. Now I'm gonna move this one over this pencil drawing type image, then tone this one down. Now I'm gonna turn this base image off. So this is just 60%. Then let me see, change blend mode of the base image. Okay, turn on this base image now. This is cool too. Color burn. Let me move this. This is normal image, right? Just one normal, which I shot long time ago. Add one layer, same image, but linear burn, 40%, 44, goes a little bit contrast. Well, much contrast, huh? Then get the basement dark, overall dark image, then use pencil drawing type image, overlay, 70%, goes a little bit more contrast. Again, this is only normal shot, add overlay, pencil drawing type, 70%, goes lighter, this much, but add linear burn, 44%, 44, go back, go up to 50 or 40. Well, yeah, about 44. Yeah, I think so. Linear burn 44, lacquer a little bit, and get the texture of the basement, which is I think it's cool result, better than just a normal image. This, yeah, I'll give you more. Well, this is a nice base. I think that the lighting is good, but when you add these layers like so, okay, this is the result of the image now, right? Okay, I I'm going to select. Okay. Just regular and then go this way. It's group. New group. This is the result of the image. Then I'm gonna, well, can I? Okay, duplicate this group. I'm gonna merge down. This is the result of the image. Now change name. Okay, now it's new base image is on. I'm gonna turn this group image off. Then just copy. Then flatten. Paste. New base image. Got one. Now I'm gonna, just leave the new group. That's, don't touch, just leave it here. Then I'm gonna work on this new base image, flattened image. Now what I want to do is, maybe I'm gonna add layer. Then let's see. Well, I gotta see this new group. Just copy this, duplicate. I just want to keep this. Well, use this original brush. It's not that interesting, huh? Change brush again. Fresco. Well, it's not interesting, huh? How about watercolor? It's kind of interesting. Oh, this is interesting. Well, this black texture. This is interesting. Luminance group nebula to make some the light brush. Well, about this pencil drawing type image, overlay max. Now I'm going to expand the background. Well, fix the background some. It's overlay, right? So I'm going to change the name overlay max. First of all, overlay max. Now I'm going to change normal to C to fix this image. Well, okay. Copy paste. Freeform. Merge down. Again. Rectangle, copy paste, freeform, merge down, just airbrushing, just clean up. Still heads here, copy paste. Same thing. Then merge down. Okay, now go back to overlay. Max. Okay, maybe this. Now something different. Okay, just leave it now normal. Paint this one is, what's this? This is nothing now. Change this base too. Same thing. Copy paste. Then I merge down. Same again. No, more. Just a touch more here. On this. It's gotta make something more interesting or more beautiful. Yeah, I want to make something beautiful image. Let's see. I'm gonna add here the brush. Again, come back to watercolor brush. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna add layer, then I'm gonna choose brush parts. I think I used this. Okay, let me try. Yeah, what do you think? Color is interesting, isn't it? The texture of the mask. Well, one more try. Yeah, let me see. Watercolor. Let's see. Just leave here. Turn this one off. Then I'm gonna add another layer. Eraser tool. Layer. Fill layer. Well, what do you think? Yeah, I think I like this watercolor texture. Well, thank you for watching my video, and this is it for today. I really appreciate for you guys support, and I think it took so long time to think, but try and error and get something different. Well, I still like this image, yes. Like a wet look type lighting, and the shape of the pipe, of course, and the color wise interesting. Well, thank you, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.